First of all, I just thank you for watching my all the videos and giving me response, and I hope that you are understanding my explanation. Now we are at the next parts of speech, that is conjunction. Before this we had studied about the preposition and I cleared you the meaning of preposition, that was pre plus position, means the word that is placed before the words that is relating the noun or pronoun to the other part of the sentence. Now here it is the conjunction. Just notify this that conjunctions. What is conjunction? Conjunction in the very simple meaning. हम कह सकते हैं जैसे कि ऐसा कोई शब्द जो दो शब्दों को या शब्दों के ग्रुप को या दो ग्रुप को या फिर दो सेंटेंसेस को जोड़ने का काम करता है. मीन्स टू से, इफ आई repeat it again, conjunction, a word used for joining, that is known as conjunction. We can tell in detail to join one word to another, एक word को दूसरे से join करना या फिर एक sentence को दूसरे के साथ join करना, that is known as conjunction. And conjunction का जो main function है, that is it often makes the sentence more compact, means easy, सुविधाजनक बना देता है, that is known as conjunction. Here I will tell you, mostly the two words are of similar parts of the speech. What happens when the conjunction that joins two words or two sentences or one word to another, what happens there? Mostly the two words which are joined, similar parts of speech के रहते हैं, but it is not that, it is, however we can say that it need not always be so, means जरूरी नहीं है इस समय. Now I have taken here some example for that. I have taken two sentences, that is Ram is playing, another is Shyam is playing. You just mind it that Ram is playing, Shyam is playing, both are doing the same action. So we can say, if we have to make it more compact or we have to join it with conjunction, that time we will use Ram and Shyam are playing. So here and is the conjunction where we have used it to join these two words. These two words are the noun part of the speech, means these are nouns which are joined by the conjunction and. Both are doing the similar action. Here we can say, I have just told you that conjunction are joining. Here I told you noun is joined with noun. So we can say conjunction functions for the joining noun to pronoun, noun to noun, noun to pronoun. For that we will take the example, Martha or you go and help grandmother. Here Martha is noun, you is pronoun. We have joined it with the conjunction or. Or is giving you substitution of that. Means either Martha or you. Go and help. Here and is also conjunction, which is joining two sentences. Here Martha or you go, one sentence. And is joining another sentence, that is help grandmother. Means we can say, here we have just connected noun and pronoun with a conjunction. Next is conjunctions are joining adjective to adjective. That is, for example, I have taken the decorations were colorful as well as beautiful. Here, can you tell me what is the adjective? Here, colorful is the adjective. Another adjective is beautiful. And what is the definition of the adjective? Adjective वह शब्द है जो कि noun या pronoun की speciality बताता है. Or we can say which says something more about the noun or pronoun. That is an adjective. Here two adjectives, colorful and beautiful. Those are joined with the conjunction as well as. I am giving you here only about the conjunction. We will come to the next video for the parts of the conjunction also, that I will explain you in a detail, or we can say kinds of the conjunction, that you will get easier to understand. Now come to the next, that is conjunctions are joining adverb to adverb also. Here we should go back Just two steps. Conjunction are joining noun to noun, noun to pronouns, adjective to adjective and adverb to adverb. मीन्स कंजंक्शन नाउन से नाउन को जोड़ने का काम करेगा, नाउन से प्रोनाउन को, एडजेक्टिव से एडजेक्टिव को, and the next when we come to this, that is adverb to adverb. I have taken here the example, the soldiers advanced silently but swiftly. Here silently, you know it very well, this is adjective, and swiftly, sorry, not adjective, this is an adverb. Swiftly, this is also an adverb, and you may know that what kind of adverb are those? Those are adverb of manners, and these two adverbs are joined by but. But is the conjunction. यहाँ but ने conjunction का काम किया है दो adverb को जोड़ने के लिए. Next I will tell you, conjunction also join one word to a group, as I explained you earlier, group of words, or that is clauses, or two groups of the words. Now some more conjunctions are there. I can tell you some compound expressions when we are giving in the compound words are also used as conjunctions. कुछ compound expressions जो होते हैं वो भी conjunction के form में use होते हैं. यहाँ for example I will tell you, so that, in order that, these are the words when I have taken you. But in detail I will tell you in my next video. Another I can tell you that conjunctions are also used in pairs. हम conjunctions को pairs में भी, कुछ conjunctions ऐसे होते हैं जो pairs में use किए जाते हैं. That is either or, neither nor, though yet. Though yet जो है current English में it is nowadays it is not used, but in the earlier English it was used with a pair though yet. We know about the word that is joining two words or the two groups of words, that we can say it is conjunctions. I told you about the conjunction. Now I had also told you about the correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunction means the words which are, or the conjunctions which are used in pair, जोड़े में जिसे रहते हैं, जैसे either or, neither nor, hardly even, no sooner than. These words are used as the conjunction are used in pair also. Those are known as correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunction के लिए कुछ एक point that is to be noticed. It is they may surround an adverb और an adjective. वो या तो adverb या adjective से surround हो सकते हैं, and each of the correlated conjunction or correlatives must be placed just before the words that are to be correlated. जो word correlated होना है उसके ही पहले या ठीक पहले correlated conjunctions को या correlatives को रखा जाता है. For example, I have taken here, we must either help with the cooking or arrange for the catering services. Here, these are correlatives, either or. These are placed just before the words. Those are to be correlated. I hope you have understood. Now, as I told you, some of the words I have written here also, hardly when, no sooner than, not only but also, so that, such that. These words are also used for the as pair, in the pair. Those are known as correlative conjunctions. My dear students, we know what are the conjunctions, but the words which are to be used as the conjunctions, you may know that list, that is and, but, till, still, until, unless. These words which I have told in pair, some compound expressions. Besides that, when, whom, whomsoever, whatever. These words, whenever we are using the clauses, that time we are using those words. Those are also known as conjunctions. But we have to categorize them. Some of the conjunctions are used as the coordinating conjunction and some are used as the subordinating conjunctions. So we can say mainly conjunctions are of two types, coordinating conjunction and subordinating conjunction. What is coordinating conjunction? Coordinating means it coordinates. Means to say join two words or group of words in equal rank. I have group of words in equal words in equal rank. This is the coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunctions are of various types, that is adversative coordinating conjunction, alternative coordinating conjunction, cumulative coordinating conjunction and elative coordinating conjunction. Now we will step towards the subordinating conjunction. What are subordinating conjunctions? There are 2 points we have to mind, that those are group of words which have one of the part of the sentence is independent, means it has complete tense, that is known as either main clause or an independent sentence. We can call that main clause also a principal clause. हम main clause को principal clause भी कहते हैं. So we can say one of the part which is independent or have the complete sentence tense, that is known as main clause or an independent sentence. Another part which is joined with the conjunction, that is depending on the main clause or depending on the principal clause, that is either known as dependent clause or subordinating clause. We will study when we will study about the chapter in about the chapter clause, we will come to know about the detail of that. Here I am telling you mainly 2 kinds of conjunctions are there, coordinating conjunction and subordinating conjunction. Coordinating have various types. ये इनके 4 टाइप्स यहाँ बताए हैं फिलहाल, that is adversative coordinative conjunction, second is alternative coordinative conjunction, third is cumulative coordinative conjunction and elative. And subordinative conjunction, I have told you what is subordinative. I will tell you which the words are used in coordinative conjunction and which are used in subordinative conjunction in the next video also, and in detail about the coordinative and subordinative conjunctions also. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.